what's up you guys? Welcome to another Nighthawk restoration episode. Quick interruption to remind you to subscribe to the channel. Come on, hook your brother up. Brother. I know I mentioned I was going to be diving into the engine and replacing the cam chain tensioner, but I just kind of ran out of time, so we're going to put that to next week. So stay tuned for that. I'm super excited. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to comment, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. If you missed any of the episodes, I'll put the playlist up on the screen. I'll also put up the Cafe Brat build. Super proud of that build, and you should check it out if you haven't seen it. Again, stay tuned for next week, and remember, if I can build a bike, then so can you. Cheers.